Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own DIY shea butter mix. So here I have my ingredients, my shea butter and my oils. But guys, be sure to use whatever oil you have available. It can be one, it can be two, just do you. So I have this shea butter and I'm going to be using it alongside some shea butter that I got from my local store. I want to be making a big batch, so I'm going to be using a lot of this shea butter, and I also have a little from my previous mix which I did a couple of months back. So I just want to mix everything together and just have it in one form, so to say. So I'm going to be adding my oils. First I'm going in with my sweet almond oil, and I'm just adding 3 spoons of that, and also my Jamaican black castor oil. I always use these oils for all my DIYs. So yeah, I'm going to be going in with just 1 spoon of my castor oil because I'm going to be using my Ayurvedic oil mix I made a few weeks back. I'm going to be putting it in also. So 1 spoon of castor oil is okay. And I'm going to be using vitamin E oil, which also I use as a form of preservative for my oil mix so it doesn't go bad. Guys, if you have not seen the video on how I made this oil mix, I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can check it out. And also my peppermint oil, I don't miss this at all. It helps my scalp, it prevents dandruff. So guys, you can choose to use any oil of your choice. You to use whatever you have available to you. I'm going to be melting this all together using the double boiler method. That is why I'm using a plastic kind of bowl so that I don't break any glass like I did before. So I'm just using my hand mixer to kind of mix everything together before I put into the refrigerator. Okay, yeah, I kept my mix in the refrigerator for longer than necessary. That is why you can see some chunky kind of butter there. It got frozen up and I had to melt it again in order to be able to mix this up properly, because it was kind of getting difficult to mix it up because of those chunky ones that got frozen and all that. So I finally found a way to do it by adding more of my Ayurvedic oil mix so that it can loosen up a bit for me to be able to whisk everything together. And I think I was finally getting there. So after beating this for quite some time, I got the consistency that I was looking for, and our DIY shea butter mix is ready to use. Very creamy and white and very moisturizing. So I just put this in my container. I just gathered all the container I could find, hoping I could fill everything up, but I think I was able to get 2 containers filled up, and I think half or so. So that is my DIY shea butter mix for my hair. So guys, let me know if you've tried this before, how it's turned out. Let me know in the comment section, or if you're going to give this a try, let me know in the comment section. And that will be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this and found it helpful, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.